I'm just at the location checking my trail cams, and just behind one of them is this print. There's a partial, but this is probably the better print. Check this out. I don't know if you can see that, but that is absolutely huge. That's my hand there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toes and a big planter pad just here. I'm hoping I don't run into whatever made this print at the moment. I'm going to try and come back and cast this, but it might be hard because this is a long way down the creek bed. This thing is just absolutely huge. I'm just hoping whatever made it's not lurking around at the moment. So fingers crossed, it might have got on one of my trail cams.